personally collide. It's like unleashing the devil inside, like waves crashing with a violent tide, an ever-flowing flood of emotion, ever fierce like the storms in the ocean. I try to hold it, keep it contained, but every version won't be restrained. I love you, I hate you, I'm happy, I'm sad, I am calm, I am mad, I'm pain and mad. I am the high and the low, the truth you'll never quite know. Every side fighting to show I am everything I can't control. I keep on telling you lies. I'm happy on the outside, but sad behind the eyes. I wish that I could decide which of me is visible and which of me I can hide. Every mask begins to crack, every version pulling back. I love you, I hate you, I'm happy, I'm sad, I am calm, I am mad, I'm plain and glad. I am the voice in the noise, every doubt, every choice, every whisper, every thought. I am the truth I can't avoid. I am the calm, I am the storm, I am the cold, I am the warm, I am the sun, I am the moon. Full of glee, but full of gloom. If I could split into two, would I know which one is true? Or are they both a part of me? A fractured kind